In order to make a sneezing elephant, we will go to the sprites library, and in the animals category, we will look out for an elephant. You can use the search box also. And in this activity, we are going to make the elephant sneeze. So we will take a cold backdrop like this, like the elephant is walking around here and has got cold, and then it's going to sneeze around. So we will give the first instruction as when you click on the green flag. So it should go to a starting position first. For example, go to XY. We'll give the coordinates as 0 uh, for the center of the game stage. And because it's going to increase and decrease the size, so we will go to the looks category and say that every time we begin this activity, so it should set the size to the normal. So this instruction will be used for that, set size to 100%. And when the elephant is going to sneeze, so we will display a message also that it is saying out something. And for that, we will go to the looks category and take the first instruction from here, say hello for 2 seconds. Instead of hello, we will change the message here, and we can reduce the time also. Also, while speaking out the message, so the elephant should grow in the size. So we will take this instruction, change size by 10. And once we click on this, so you can see on the game stage, the size is getting increased, but only for a limited number of time. So we can add a loop here. For example, we can add a repeat instruction. Let's say increase the size 7 times, for example, and click on this and see how this is going to work for us. So it is increasing the size. Now the elephants look too big. We want it to get back to the normal size. So we are supposed to just simply click on the instruction set size to 100%. Once we do that, it will get back to the normal size. And in order to add the after effects of sneezing, so we are going to duplicate this particular loop, and we will change the message here and further change the size by -20, that the elephant is now shrinking down as the after effects. So once we click on this, so you can see now the elephant is getting shrinked, and we will click on the set size to 100% instruction, so it will get back to the normal size. Let's join both of the repeat instructions together and see how this is working for us. So now when you click on the green flag, so the size is getting increased and decreased. Now we need that the costume of the elephant should change while sneezing. And for that, we will add the instruction next costume in between these loops. So click on the green flag and see how this is working. Great. Let's click one more time. So now the default, you see the variations of the costumes. So in order to avoid that, we will add one more instruction that when we begin the loop, that means when we click on the green flag, so the starting costume should be the first costume. Let's click on the green flag and see how this is working for us. Great. To add a few variations, we can add these repeat blocks into a loop also, like forever. So whenever you click on the green flag, now it is going to sneeze continuously on the game stage. We can maximize and see how this is working for us.